Hey guys, it's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a review and a full wash day demo using the new Cream of Nature Pure Honey collection. I am so excited to get my hands on this collection and to share with you all my thoughts. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash my hair using the moisturizing dry defense shampoo and conditioner. So here I am just getting my hair nice and wet like I always do, and just going to go ahead and lather my hair with the shampoo first. Honestly loved how the shampoo made my hair feel, you guys. Like typically whenever I use a shampoo it will dry out my hair, but this one was different. It really made my hair feel super soft and moisturized, but I could also tell that my scalp was getting clean and my hair was pretty dirty. So that says a lot. But yeah, my scalp just felt clean. It felt like I had got rid of all the buildup, but my hair did not feel dry at all. It still felt super moisturized and soft. So I love that about the shampoo. So next up is the moisturizing dry defense conditioner, and this one here, I love the consistency of it. It felt kind of like a marshmallowy texture, and it did make my hair feel super soft. The only thing that I didn't like about the conditioner is that I didn't feel like it had much slip, so I really couldn't do much detangling at all, considering that I couldn't really rake my fingers through my hair. Yes, it made my hair feel moisturized and soft, but I just love slip when it comes to a conditioner, and this was not it. So I feel like I would give it like 3 out of 5 just because of how great it made my hair feel. It just was lacking in the slip department. So as you guys can see, I have rinsed out all the conditioner, and this is how my curls are looking. I will say that my hair has a ton of shine at this point, and usually it doesn't, but it has a ton of shine and my curls just felt so soft. So I loved how the overall combination worked with my natural hair. Next, I'll be applying the Moisture Replenish and Strength hair mask to my hair, and this mask, you guys, was probably my favorite product out of the entire collection, because when I tell y'all, it transformed my dry, just tangled hair. It made a huge difference. Like, it was crazy how soft it made my hair feel. It just had so much slip to it. It was crazy. So I love it. Y'all can probably tell it by the tone of my voice that how much I love it, but it was just that great. And it actually cut down my detangling time, because usually it'll take me like a good 20 minutes to detangle, especially after not washing it for a week and a half. But with this product, it took me about 10 minutes to detangle my entire head of hair. So the hair mask definitely gets 2 thumbs up for me, definitely a 5 out of 5. Here is a close-up of my curls after detangling and applying the hair mask to the first half of my head, and I just want to show you guys how much shedding I got after detangling my entire head of hair. And for it to have been a week and a half of me not washing my hair and it being super tangled, that is really good. So that goes to show you just how slippery and how great of a detangler the hair mask was. So I just let the hair mask sit on my hair under a heated cap for 10 minutes, and then I rinsed it out afterwards. As you guys can see, the hair mask is all rinsed out and it is time to style my hair. First, I'll be using the Breakup Breakage Leave-In Conditioner, and it's apply that to a medium to large section of hair. I'm just going to rake that leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair just to make sure that every single curl is coated, and then move on to the Not Away Leave-In Detangler. Again, I'm just going to smooth and rake this product through my hair as well. And I will admit, you guys, both products, both the leave-in and the detangler, felt so good on my hair. It had a ton of slip and it gave my hair so much moisture. So those were also 2 of my favorite products from the collection. My styler of choice for today is the Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. It has a very whip consistency, so I did love how it felt, and it definitely gave my hair a ton of moisture. And of course, that is what we want, because this line is dedicated to dry, dehydrated hair. So I loved how it felt on my curls. And I supplied a small amount to a small section of hair and then began to two-strand twist. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, I did apply a bit of the edge control from the collection to my edges, but I realized down the line that the edge control works way better on dry hair instead of wet hair. So although I did apply edge control while my hair was still wet, I would highly recommend just waiting. And you guys will see later on that I did wait and apply more edge control at the end once my hair dried some. All the products from the collection are for dry, dehydrated hair, and each product has pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter, and every single product, as you guys can imagine, smells so good. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and keep twisting my hair until I have completed my entire head, and I will come back once I'm done. So that's what I was referring to earlier. I went ahead and applied edge control once my edges had dried some, and they are definitely laying a lot smoother and a lot more sleek now. And now that my twists are done, I'm just gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry overnight, and I'll be back in the morning to show you guys the results. All right, so it is the next morning. Actually, it's not the next morning. It is later on the evening of the next day, and my hair is 100% dry. So all I'm gonna do now is just untwist each twist and then slowly and carefully separate my hair. Now, because it is day one hair, I didn't want to fluff my hair out too much, but whenever I was unseparating my hair, I started to realize that there was a little bit too much frizz for my liking. Usually, whenever my hair is 100% dry and I slowly and carefully untwist my hair, my curls are super duper defined and there is hardly any frizz, if any. But for some reason, there is like frizz everywhere and it gets worse and worse as I go through. So I really felt like the twisting cream didn't really have much of a hold. Well, I guess as much as I would prefer, but there's definition there. It just isn't as great of a hold. So honestly, my twist out lasted all of 2 days because it just got frizzier and frizzier. So I would probably use a gel in the future with this twisting cream because the twisting cream on its own, it just will not last. At least for me, it won't provide a strong enough hold. But I did like how my hair felt. My hair felt so soft, and of course it smelled good. So overall, I would give the collection a 4 out of 5. And that is me just being totally honest. But the products that are absolute must-haves to me from this Pure Honey collection is definitely the shampoo, the hair mask, the leave-in, and the detangler. Those were absolutely my favorite, and they will definitely make your hair feel so much more moisturized and soft and manageable. So I hope that you all enjoyed this review and enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you guys did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. As always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.